Hey, tada! When it comes to purchasing a car for your small business, there are crucial factors to consider to ensure you're maximizing your investment and getting most bang for your buck. So back in 2021, my small business was picking up and it was time to get a buggy for the company. The very first one for me and for the business. I'll never forget that day. Welcome to Car Wise, a channel to help you choose your car wisely. In this video, I'm going to share with you the factors I considered when I got my first car for the business, the Hyundai H100 buggy. This is my 7th year in business, Bafethu, and I only managed to get my first car on my 5th year. This shows how tricky it is to get a car for the business, and this is why I thought this video would be helpful to someone else out there. I know that comparing self-employment with a 9-to-5 work is dumb, but with 9-to-5 work you'd get your first car on the 3rd month of working, if they pay you well, by the way, but as Pumela. Choosing the right car for my business was and still very much essential, because 1. I wanted to keep operational costs very low, 2. I also wanted to increase efficiency, and 3. Obviously I wanted to ensure the success of my company. Guess the first thing that I considered when I bought this car. I know you'll guess it right. It's the cost. Price, Bafethu. Price. First I had to look at the price. More than anything else, I will never lie to you, the price. When purchasing a car, whether for personal use or for business use like mine, one of the most significant variables to consider is the price. I had to research different models and compare prices to find the best deal. At this point, I had already narrowed my choices to the H100 and the Kia K2 700, and you already know what I ended up with. Although the H100 was slightly expensive, I wasn't only looking at the price, and that brings me to the second consideration, which is the maintenance and repairs. I knew that maintenance was another vital factor to consider, and the cost of maintenance can break your business. And I know about Marakulia's Korokoro can take you out of business like crack. So I was very glad to find that the H100 comes with a 3-year or 60,000 km service plan and a 5-year or 150,000 km warranty, plus additional 2 years or 50,000 km powertrain warranty. I don't want to lie, Bafethu, this really gave me a peace of mind. So now that I've made peace with the cost and the warranty, I had to consider the insurance. I knew that my driver's license was old enough for a fair premium, but I also wanted a car that can tag along quite well. This is not a high-performance vehicle, so I thought I was gonna pay less. Little did I know that commercial vehicles aren't charged the same way as the personal ones. Let's just say here I didn't have many choices, but believe me, I shopped around until I got a better deal. Fuel efficiency is key, Bafethu. Koloi or no diesel or car black label is a no-go for the business. I wanted to keep operating costs as low as possible, and I knew that one way to accomplish this is to get a vehicle that is fuel efficient, and this tag is not bad at all. Don't be fooled by Maburu Barana di Fam Jabonaka di V6 Land Cruisers. Renas Renamabur, we start from the bottom. We use this buggy to transport our tools and equipment. As you can see, Bafethu are doing their things there. So I knew that the size of the car that I had to get for the business will matter, as I'll need enough room for all the cargo and people. The H100 can load up to 1.3 ton of cargo, so with size I'm sorted. And I know that we shouldn't be loading tools with people in the same car, especially if it's a buggy. But honestly, Bafethu, do you think a small business like mine can afford to have a staff transport and a transport for the tools? Hi-con. So those were the top 5 factors that guided me to buy the 2021 H100 buggy for my business. And 2 years into owning it, this buggy is still going strong and it turns head. Kadhala, nobody cares. Nobody cares really. This tag never gave me any problems. Everything is still the same way it was when I first drove it out of the dealership on the 16th of March 2021. which was my mother's birthday. Hence I named this car Bomatumelo, ke bomma bafethu. By the way, this is the first car that I reviewed on this channel. You should check out the review. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you watch until this far, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for supporting the channel. Before I love and leave you, let me just tell you a bit about my business. Sinovarana Pavements is a small pavement installation company based in Limpopo, 93 kilometers northwest the city of Polokwane, present day Bochum Township. Rebecca Paving Bafethu. We do it so well. We cater for schools, homes, churches, corporate areas, malls, and just everywhere. We serve in Limpopo, Gauteng, and Mpumalanga. Bafethu, this H100 has a 2.6 natural aspirated diesel engine mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox. If it's everywhere, as long as the project makes business sense, we are coming. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more car-wise content to help you choose your car wisely.